Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to delete Instacart account. First, open the Instacart app and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Personal Information, and tap Delete Account. A web page will open asking you to log in for security verification. After signing in, you'll see details about what happens when your account is deleted, including losing past orders, saved payments, and remaining credits. If you're sure you want to continue, scroll down and tap Process My Deletion Request. Instacart will send you a confirmation email. Open it and tap Confirm Email to finish. Your account will be permanently deleted within a few days. And that's it! You've successfully submitted a request to delete your Instacart account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.